Good evening, guys. I am Miss V Variety and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be making for you some plantain. Actually, it's peanut porridge. It is called, but I use peanut, plantain, cornmeal, and some bulgar and a little oats. So it's a variety porridge. It's a variety porridge. So I'll be using plantain, cornmeal, bulgur. This is cinnamon sticks. So I'll be using this in the water, in the boiling water. And also some oats, paper oats. Okay, guys. I'll be adding the powdered coconut milk because I don't have the regular coconut, so I'll be using a little of this coconut milk. First, these are washed and dry, so I will put some cinnamon sticks in the water. About this amount will do. In the boiling water, I will add some of this coconut milk. So I'll add about 2 tablespoons in the water. In the water. I'll allow that to boil and I will blend all the ingredients. For example, the plantain, the peanuts, the oats, the cornmeal, and the bulgur together and pour everything in one. I'm opening up. This is the raw peanut, guys. I should have put it to soak, but I didn't remember. So I'm going to wash it and blend it with the rest of things. I'm hoping that's one day, guys, I will get a good counter where I can lay my things so that you all can see all the things that I'm using. For now, the space is so small and I have to put the things. I can't even raise it so that you can see it because I don't have the facility to put them. So I'll show you as I go along. And remember that we have a storm recently, so there is no running water at this time. So I have to get some water, and that's how I'm using the water from that bucket over there. So I'm washing the peanut. Guys, I am making a porridge, but it has so many ingredients. It has oats, peanuts, cornmeal, bulgur. You also have to wash the bulgur, guys. So this is the amount. I'm gonna use half of this bulgur. Not all of it, just half of it. My sister always says, Miss V, please arrange your things. I try, guy, but one day I get a good kitchen so that I can arrange my things properly. So you first wash the bulgur as well because you don't know. You buy it in the store but you don't know how clean it is. So you wash the bulgur as well. I won't use a lot of cornmeal because cornmeal tends to burn my stomach whenever I use it. So I just use about 3 tablespoons. I try my best to put the phone so that you can see it. Give me a minute, let me catch the phone like that. Yes. So I'm gonna try to catch the phone like that so that you can actually see what I'm doing. So I place the things in the blender and I don't forget the plantain. So I'm gonna put some water on this. I don't normally use flour in my porridge. No, don't practice to use flour in your porridge. Rather you use the plantain to give it some stamina, our body. So I'm gonna put the plantain in. Wow, guys, I don't know if it's too much plantain, but I don't really want you to leave any of it. Ooh. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend. I'm gonna go ahead and blend these. Blend them. Guys, it's too much in the blender, so I'm gonna throw off some so that it can blend properly. There's another secret about me, guys. I don't like when the ingredients are blended too soft because I love to chew on the peanuts. I love to chew on the bulgur as well. I just love to chew my porridge away. So I always not blending them too soft. So I'm gonna finish do the blending. Remember to always stir as not to cause any lumps of such in the porridge. So I'm making a variety porridge. It's porridge with bulgar, cornmeal, peanut, plantain, oats. So that's about 5 things, guys, in the porridge today. And you can make this porridge and have it for also 3 mornings. You can put it in the fridge if you have leftover, so you can have it each morning, guys. This porridge is really a nice porridge. So I'm blending this. I was blending the second half of the ingredients. So guys, this is such a nice porridge. Such a nice porridge, guys. This I don't even know, but it's my new type of porridge. It's variety porridge. It's Van's variety porridge. There you go. Oh, I want you to see it more better. That's it. So it's about to be boiled now, guys. It's about to be boiled. Ensure that there is no lumps in it. And you can add some ingredients, like you can add a little, not everything. In case you're going to use 2 teaspoons of vanilla, you can add one to it. You can add a little cinnamon. You can add a little nutmeg. Just add half of what you would have add, because sometimes the steam, when it's boiling, it those scents goes out in the steam, so it won't taste so much in the porridge after it is finished cooked. So what I do is to add a little salt. I add a little salt, just a little. I add a little cinnamon spice, just a little. because when it is finished, I'm gonna add a little bit more to it. I grate a little nutmeg on it, in it, just for it to boil in the porridge. I put a little cinnamon spice, cinnamon extract. Just watch to see a little tip, right? This is a little mixed spice extract. And this is vanilla extract. And I'm going to allow it to boil until I know it's ready. So I remember I had put some coconut powder in it. And remember the peanut milk is in it. So when I'm finished, when it is boiled, I'm gonna put some tin milk in it to give it some more flavor. Okay, guys. So this is my variety porridge. It's very nice, guys. You can try it. You can try it. I tried it before. I always do. I always try this porridge. I always boil this porridge, but I would, I would allow the peanut grains to be more bigger. But I'm not going to tell you to do that. But I love when I'm eating my porridge, I chew the grains. I'm so funny, guys. It's true. I love when I'm eating my porridge, I'm chewing on the grains. That's how I love my porridge. This porridge is such a nice porridge, guys. You can try it. So, I said they use some bulgar, they use some oats, you use some cornmeal, a little cornmeal, you use about 1.5 plantain, green plantain, and you also put some peanut in it as well. Remember, bulgur, oats, plantain, peanuts, bulgur, cornmeal, peanut, oats, and plantain. Write it down. Bulgur, cornmeal, oats, plantain, and the peanuts. And remember, if you have real coconut milk, you can pour some coconut milk in it. If you don't have the original coconut milk, you can put half of a pack of the coconut powder in it. And remember that you have the peanut juice in it as well, because when you blend the peanut, you know you get the juice on the peanut as well. And if you have this type of, sorry guys, if you have this milk, this is the lasoy milk. I pour it in this bottle. So after I'm finished, I will put some lasoy milk in it, as well as I'm gonna use as well. I'm gonna use some of this milk in it as well. And I bought the one with this easier to open style. So guys, in this rainy season, you need some of this porridge. I'm sorry you weren't here to get some of my porridge. It's soon to be boiled up. So I'm going to leave it to boil for about 20 minutes or less because I blend the cornmeal, I blend everything. So most of the ingredients are soft. So I am allowing it to boil for a few minutes and then I will show you when I'm sweetening it. Remember not to sweeten your porridge too sweet. Not to sweeten your porridge too sweet because you don't want to be a beast with sugary products. So you put a little milk in it and a little you don't have to use any sugar in it if in case you are somebody suffering from hypertension or diabetes. You don't have to put any sugar in it. Even now, how it is now, guys, some people would drink it like this. Because remember persons who might be high in diabetic, you can drink it just like this without no other milk, just the peanut milk from the peanuts and the coconut milk. It is tasty. It is tasty right as is now. But you can also add some milk to taste after finish boiling, even if you're suffering from diabetes, but don't put too much in it, too much milk, and you don't have to add any sugar in it, guys. Trust me on that. I would love you to try it because, as I said before, it is such a nice porridge. Such a nice porridge. Very, very nice porridge. Oh, you know what I forget to put in, guys? Some, I don't know if I can find it. Oh my God. Some of this. I don't know if you guys know the name of it. It's some seeds. I think this seed is what they used to make porridge in Africa. I think it's sesame seed or some one of those seeds. So you can sprinkle some in it for it give the it let the porridge so gummy and nice. So I have a little leaf back and so I'm gonna throw some in it. You can put like a cork full in it. Where is it? Oh, like a cork full in it. Guys are telling you. I don't remember if it's sesame seed or what type of seed, guys. But I'm telling you, when I drink this porridge, I don't want to stop drinking. Oh, I have a little. Yes, guys, so just stir it in. Just stir it in. And guys, I'm telling you, while watching a television and drinking this porridge, you don't want to stop. You don't want to stop, guys. So try this porridge at home. It's bulgur, cornmeal, oats, plantain, green plantain, peanuts. That's the raw peanut. So you blend all of those together. Yes, guys, it's really a nice porridge, as you can see. So while you watch your television or while you relax in your living room, you just drink. And it is such a nice porridge. You won't regret it. This is such a nice porridge, guys. You won't regret a minute of drinking this porridge, guys. I'm gonna add a little more water to it because it's kind of too thick. So, yes, guys. So I'm walking you through my variety porridge. Variety porridge meaning I use cornmeal, oats, bulgur, peanuts, and I add some oats as well, and I add some sesame seed in it. I also have another thing, but I don't remember the name, so I won't put it in because I don't want to confuse you guys. But try this porridge. I also use some coconut milk in it. Coconut milk, you can either add the coconut milk powder or you can use so remember when you're making porridge, always have a dish with some water that you put the spoon in so that there's no flies here today. Normally, when the flies see these things, they come around. So you ensure that if there are flies around, you would cover the dish like this, just to protect the spoon in the dish, like this. But I just keep it there in case. So now the porridge is boiling. So guys, as soon as it is boiled, I will come back and walk you through how I sweeten the porridge. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for thumbs up. I really thank you and I really appreciate you. Please help me to reach 2,000 subscribers, guys. Right now, I am at 1,749 subscribers. So, guys, please help me. Also, I need watch hours. And, guys, please go to my videos and watch them. Watch them, guys. And so that I can get the watch hours so that I can be you knows what I mean. Yes, guys, please help me to reach my point. Yes, guys. And my tummy was a lot bigger than this, but since I'm doing the juices and since honestly, it's since I started doing YouTube that I find out that I am trying to see what others are doing and I try to do the right thing. I don't drink a lot of sweet stuffs. I don't do a lot of starchy products and I don't do a lot of grease and I do some exercise, guys. So now I really thank God that I have learned so much from others, from my fellow YouTubers, and even from myself. I do some research and I find out that eating the right things is a blessing. Eating the right stuff is a blessing. And even if you follow Cook Juice with me, you would see that she does a lot of juices that are good for um, slowing down the fats out of your body. And she does a lot of exercises too on her program. So please follow her, guys. Please follow 876 as well. 876 poems as well. Those are persons that guided me along or so that I can have more knowledge of doing YouTube. Also, guys, I really look up to persons like I am Mara in Kenya. I hope one day you will find out that I am so in tune with his um, vlogs and that one day he would give me a trip to Kenya. I am hoping and I'm trusting the Lord that he could connect with me. Guys, I am so passionate about his videos and I like how he helps his community. And I'm also proud of Jamaican uncle. I also follow his videos. I follow Kino Life in Jamaica. I follow Jamaica Walk By. I just try to follow my fellow Jamaicans whose vlogging they are so meaningful to me. Guys, help me watch my videos. I am a young YouTuber and I did not know much, but each day as I go along, I try to know more. So, guys, help me to reach my target point. Even if you don't watch all my videos, please go ahead and watch some of my videos. I would be very grateful if you would do that for me. Guys, thank you for listening again. My name is Miss V Variety. It's a all-in-one name. It doesn't space. MISSVEEVARIETY. It's Miss V Variety, guys. So thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing my videos as well, guys. So I'm so grateful for that. So guys, I am leaving this porridge to boil for about 15 more minutes. And if you watch I am Mara's channel, you would see where we drink porridge, a cup of porridge each day. And if I'm not lying, guys, the porridge he drinks looks like this sesame seed. They blend it. I don't know if they blend it, but they boil it and they drink it. Because if you watch the color of the porridge, and this thing is really good for your body. See it there? I think they put these in blend up juices. Yeah, it's a fine seed. I don't know if it's sesame seed. You can correct me if I'm wrong. If you know this seed, guys, you can tell me what it is, what seed it is. I don't know if you can see it. I'm trying to put it as close as possible. If you can see it. So you can let me know what type of seed it is. So guys, walk with me to the end as the porridge will be sweetened in a few. So guys, I think the porridge is almost cooked. Cooked. Yes. It's almost cooked. So now I will go ahead and sweeten the porridge. It's almost there, guys. I put a little bit more water in it. Too thick. So I'll soon be sweetening the porridge. Rain is falling on the outside. aftermaths of Hurricane Beryl. So guys, thank you for watching my video. This is my variety porridge. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Yes, guys. It's almost boiled, cooked. So now I will soon be sweetening the porridge. No, no. Yes, guys, I don't know what went wrong, but I'm going to go ahead and sweeten the porridge very soon. This is Miss V Variety, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am cooking some variety porridge. It's a variety porridge, meaning I have used some oats, some plantain. I have used cornmeal. I have used bulgar. I have used peanuts. I put some coconut milk in it. Yes, guys, and remember the cinnamon stick or the cinnamon leaves. Yes, guys. So I did put some spices in it. So I'm gonna sweeten it now with the rest of spices. So I have to sweeten milk, magnolia milk, and I have some soy milk powder. This is soy milk. Right, guys? So I will put about maybe 3 tablespoons of this one. This is not sweet. This is not sweet. So I'll put about 3 tablespoons of this one in it. So 1, 2, 3. Because I also will be putting some sweetened condensed milk in it as well. So I'll put some more vanilla in it. Vanilla. Some more cinnamon spice. Some nutmeg spice. This one is finished. And this is mixed spice. These are extracts. I'll also grate a little more nutmeg in it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Before you use this milk, I need to, I always wash it, wash the tin, wash and then dry it before I actually pull it. Because, you know, sometimes you put down these things and something crawl on it. So this is the milk. I'm gonna watch what I'm doing. Pour, that is it. I don't want it too sweet. I think it need a pinch more salt. I think it need a pinch more salt. And this porridge, it's chewable. Chewable, meaning I don't blend it softly. I left some grains in it, so I will have grains to chew while I eat it. So this porridge consists of peanuts, oats, bulgar, cornmeal, some milk, that's coconut milk. I think I put some sesame seeds in it, and I also use some cinnamon stick to add spice. Need a little more milk because it's fresh. Yes, guys, that is it. Meaning I'm not using any sugar in it. I'd rather use more milk in it. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe. It's Miss V Variety, MISSVEEVARIETY. That's Miss V Variety. Guys, I've sweetened the porridge. So now I'm gonna throw some in a bowl so that I can have that for my dinner. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I love you guys. And thank you for sharing my videos. My porridge is not an ordinary porridge. It's a variety porridge. It's oats. And I was watching I am Mara's video today where Jamaican uncle he sent so many gifts to Kenya. Most persons got a gift. And I'm so proud of Gituriba, Gituriba and Mayugno. They are striving so much. Gituriba, I am proud of you for holding out so long until you get a piece of land. I thought you had a piece of land somewhere the family land is, but I didn't want that. Earlier on, you told Ayamara that you wanted to live beside him, and that's what you do. And to date, you are building your dream house. Jamaican uncle, you did well when you bought that camera, that web camera for Ayamara, and that's where they get the plan for Gituriba house. So it's a very beautiful house. Something looking like Ayamara's house, but it is a smaller one. I love it. I love it. I hope one day to be in Kenya. I'm also proud of Dimwango as well. Yes, I'm proud of them because they go in the byways and edges to get contents. I am also proud of Coco Girl and all the vloggers that are out there working for their honest bread. My hats goes off to them. I am so proud of you guys, and I hope one day I will reach the points. So thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you for sharing. Help me to reach the amount I need on the watch hours. So I'm asking you kindly to watch my videos. Again, I am Miss V Variety and welcome to my channel. So I'm gonna put my porridge into this dish, and I'll be eating that for my dinner. Maybe with a few crackers, cream crackers. So guys, this is my dinner for today, and my porridge is is variety porridge. Thanks guys for watching my video. Thanks for sharing, and I'll see you in my next video. This is my cornmeal mixed with oats, mixed with bulgur, mixed with sesame seed, mixed with coconut milk, mixed with oats, and mixed with peanut, raw peanut. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for subscribing. And I'll see you in my